Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to create a web application using Python. I am using PyCharm. So under your new project, you have to create a new Python file, and I will give that name as web app. For creating the web app, we are using Flux for developing the front end. So if it is not installed in your system, you have to install that Flux library first in this Python interpreter. See, Flux is already installed in my system, so it is showing in this list. You have to do it in your system accordingly. So after that, we have to write the backend code and connect it with the server for deployment in the web application. So let's start from Flux. Import Flux. This is the standard procedure. You don't have to worry, you will get used to it once you understand all the Python stuffs. I'm creating a variable named app and define that variable for an under Flux, and it's we have to give an object. So after that, these are the default syntax. Now after you have already defined, now you have to show the message in the web application. So I will return that message using this return function and the inverted comma. Now see, your code is completed, but this is backend code. When you try to run this code, it will not deploy any server. See, process is finished with exit code 0. Now for server deployment, you have to first give this code or give your application a path. So I am giving the path as this format. After giving the path, I will call this application to run the object we created, and we'll check that with main and run our application accordingly. Now if you run this code, you will see a URL is provided. So when what we have to do, we have to copy this URL and paste it in our web browser. See, hello world is displaying. Now one example is there. Under this app root, you can make your custom URL also. Suppose if I provide custom URL /Amir, and again I run this web application, then it will run on the same server, but when you try to open it, it will not going to open. So what we have to do here, so you have to run it and, provide the custom URL that is after /Amir. Like this, you can also change your message like it's hello world again, and deployed your application. When you again load your application, you will see this new message. See, hello world again. Thank you.